Evening, boys and girls. 3-button control remote fob here. These are used on the Ford Ranger, the Mazda 2, Mazda 3. I'm not sure about the Mazda 5 or the Mazda 6, but they're quite a common remote. So I'm going to show you is today is just how to flip this open. Like that, without hurting yourself. Right, so what we got? Back there with nothing in it at all, it's just literally a backing, so let's put that to one side. There we got the innards. Right, let's push that out. And there's your case. There's nothing in that case that's any value, so just put that to one side. Right, you're left with your buttons with the crap round it. Look at the crap round that one, look. Oh. Right, let's ping that off and put that chip all to one side for a second. These are a pain in the arse. Get your fingers in the middle and just get all that crap and gunk and whatever it is in there. Give it a bloody good blow, get all the crap out of it. Hey, it looks terrible and it makes a button stick down. So get that in there. Right. Just bring the old circuit board back in for you. Right, there you go. You've got a battery on the back, and let's get it the right way up. And what we got there? CR. It's a 2025. Quite a common battery. If you look here, I'll show you with the screwdriver. Just there, there's a little lever. What you need to do is just put your screwdriver against it, pull it back. The battery should ping out, but obviously now we're on camera, it's not going to. Anyway, it does. I can't get it out. Right, that pings back, your battery goes in, positive side upwards, okay? So on your other side, what have you got here? You've got a button at the top there. She works nice. Button in the middle works nice. Button at the bottom works nice. Okay, pretty simple way to put it back together. It's a simple scenario. Slide her in. There you go. Make sure she lines up with the buttons. You can feel it pinging. Okay. Slide that back in there. Make sure she goes in nice. Make sure that seal is around. It's not like tucked in nowhere. Cover on the back. Clip it shut. There you go. And she works. There's another one for you. I hope that helps you. Bye.